Hi guys, I did it. I created a tutorial on how I made this bookmark, but now I have to figure out how to do voiceovers so it's not boring. I sped up my video to last less than 5 minutes, but it took me about 30 minutes to actually watercolor the entire bookmark. So I'm going to cheat and play some music for a little while, and I'll come back towards the end. Now, you see I've already pulled the color out of the foliage and the flowers here. And then I take that bright green and I restamp the foliage because I love, and then wet it again because I love the way that looks with the two tones of green. That blue sky sure makes a difference, doesn't it? So then I decide I want to add a fox. And I play around with where to put it. And then I slide my paper sort of off screen. And I am so sorry about that. Well guys, it can only get better from here, right? Thank you for watching.